go 60 degrees. Turning over.
And there's his friend Gary Parker protecting his rear.
Well, I'm hoping you're not really judging the feet.
You mean shooting his tail off?
Yeah, shooting his tail off.
That's why they got the
Bullfighter has the same problem the 88 had.
Wayne Frederick taxiing out, ready for his first flight of the day. Fokker the 8. Wayne is in the air. Ken Safer taxiing out for his first flight of the day, Saturday. Okay, Ken is on the grass. Sato 300s. Bristol Bullfighters in the air. You can tell it's heavy. Okay, Wayne Frederick's coming in. Very nice.
The engines are running nice. Nice and smooth.
Sato twin four strokes. Down, so that means one thing. He's coming home. Oh boy, does that look nice. Very nice. We're about 25 miles due west of Sacramento, California.
Get away, Kenny.
Very nice, Ken.
I gotta go sit down, Dick.
What is this, World War I heaven?
You bet.
This is Scott Monroe's DR1. Glenn Torrance kit?
Yes, please.
Glenn Torrance. They're beautiful kits, so Glenn does a good job. But they fly good too. Quarter scale, DR1. And we all know Gary Parker's Albatross. Wins everywhere it goes, and that famous engine of his. I tried to trade him, but he wouldn't do it. Eugene Job's Sea Fury. Larry Sutherland, SE5. Okay, Dave Pippin's taxiing out for his first flight of the day. Taxiing into position. Oh. Larry Sutherland's flyby without his baton. Hey, Larry's coming by for his overshoot. Oh, Larry, that looks like it's going to be a nice one. Oh, it's a touch and go. Nice. Okay, I think this is going to be Larry's landing.
Attention please, if you are not a caller or a flyer, you're not allowed in the pit area or on the other side of the yellow
down.
line. Please remove yourself. Thank you.
Duncan Hudson, SE5A. Jeff Weiss just taxied into position for takeoff with his Spitfire. Fast little bugger.
His fight
Hey,
was spectacular.
Ken's working on his
He was
Bristol
done with his
bullfighter
flight.
here.
He was actually coming around on his final, so
And he's got his landing gear out here for us.
Oh, thank you. I can get it smoother yet, but can't get any more down trim on it. When I get the down, I can keep the nose down, then it'll be smooth. You need anything? I'm good. I got close.
Okay, the Spitfire is coming in. Uh-oh, gear collapsed. Well, it came open again. How about that? Coming out. Come on. There's Jeremy. He's from Seattle area. Okay, we got Randy Hansen, fresh from Top Gun in Florida. Came in second place. He's going up for his second flight of the day. So this is Randy's second flight of the day. I missed the first one. Jeremy Firstman coming in for his landing. And he is down. Randy Hansen, Astoria, Oregon. Jay Price preparing for his second flight of the day in his P-47. Jay Price. Flaps down for Randy. Overshoot. And Randy's down. Jay Price is coming in with his P-47. Very nice.
nice landing.
Very nice. Can't hardly beat that. Allenson is up for his second flight of the day. Allen's flying a cap. Oh, he's going to try that again, looks like. No. There he is. This is Mike Brewer's Aronka LC. Freshly back from Top Gun 97. 19th place, Mike?
Yeah.
Mike came in 19th place at Top Gun at West Palm Beach, Florida. And he's still on his way home. That was last weekend. It's a great flying airplane, a Ronca LC. Well, that's Mike in his younger years, of course. Eugene Job is heading out. Sea Fury. Mike Brewer, overshoot. And I think Mike's coming in for his landing. This is probably the finest scale contest in the state of California. Wayne is in the air. Okay, Eugene Job's coming in. Eugene Job went on to win all the marbles in Dallas, Texas in September of '97. Flyby by Wayne Frederick. Overall champ, 1997, Eugene Job.